How can we find square root of this within seconds? There are two methods to solve this. First one is, division method. And if you don't know the trick, you just go ahead with the division method. It will take quite some time to solve using this method, but it is a sure short process to solve this problem. Okay, and we will discuss this also. How do we find this problem? How do we find the square root of this number using division method? Also, second method is a trick. And that trick is by experience. If you know some number trick, it's just not a general trick that it applies to any number, but it is trick which applies to this number because there is a pattern to this number. Okay, so let's go ahead with these two different methods, and I will explain these two different methods one by one. We will use division method to find the square root of this number. Okay, so we have written this number like this and these two lines. Okay, now what we will do is pair up the numbers from the left side. So this one pair, this pair, this pair, this pair, and this pair. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits and 5 pairs. Okay. Now what we have to do is let's consider the first pair, this one. Okay. First this one. Now you have to guess a number whose square is less than this number. Okay. So which number it could be? Let's think of as 6. So the square of 6 is 36. Let's think of 7. 7 square is 49. So 49 is larger than 44. So we have to choose 6. Okay. Now let's put 6 right here, and we will put a 6 right here also. Now the square of 6 goes right here. Square of 6 we will put right here. Okay. Now subtract it. So it will become 8. Now take up the next pair and write here. So 44. Now write 44 right here. Okay. Just take down it. And let's put 6 right here and add them together. So it becomes 12, right? Now we have to put a number right here, and we have to put a number right here, and then multiplies the complete number with this number. Okay, and the result should be less than this. Okay, so let's guess a number. Let's see 7. Okay, let's put 7. Let's put 7 right here. Okay, now multiply with 7. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, 7 twos are 14, and 7 ones are 7. So it becomes 9, 8, and 8. This number is larger than this number, so 7 should not be there. We will put one number less than 7, that is 6. Okay, let's put 6 right here. Now let's multiply. 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 2s are 12, and 3 15, 1, 6 1s are 6, and 1 7, right? So now what we do, subtract this becomes 8, and this becomes also 8. This becomes 0. Okay, so we have consumed this pair. Now we have to take down this pair, 48. So let's put it here, and we will add 6 here and put the number right here, 1 3 2. Okay, now let's guess the next number and put right here. Let's guess 6. Now multiply. 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 2s are 12, 3 15, 1, 6 3s are 18, 1 19, and again 1, 6 ones are 1, and 1 7, right? So it is less than this number, and the remainder should not be greater than this. Okay, so now let's subtract it. Here 2 and 9, and it becomes I think 8 should be 8 or 9. Yeah, 8, and here is 0. Now next number which we have to put down is 88. Right? That's 88 right here, and add 6 right here. So the unit digit should be added all the way together. So it becomes 2 3 3 1. Okay, now let's guess a number which goes right here. So again, let's see if it goes with the 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 6 2s are 12, 3 15, 1 6 3s are 18, 1 19, 1 6 3s are 18, 1 19, 1 6 1s are 1 7. So this is now subtract this. So 2 3, and here it should be 3 thing. Yeah. And here it becomes 9 and 0. The last pair is 89, and we have just put it right here. Okay, now this number, and again 6 add here, 2 3 3 3 and 1. Okay, now let's guess a number and put it right here. So let's again try to put 6 right there. Okay, and 6 here. So let's put 6. 6 is 36, 3 6 2s 3 15, 1 6 3s are 18, 1 19, 6 3s are 18, 1 19, 3s are 18, 1 19, 6 1s are 6, 1 7. So let's this and see what is the result. So 3 and here it becomes 3 and here it becomes 3, okay, and 3 and here it comes to 1. Now you will notice that this number is greater than this number, okay, so the number here should not be 6 rather than 1 up. Let's 7. Let's try 7. Let's try 7 right here, okay, and we will put 7 here also. Okay, now let's multiply with it 7. Here we just erase all these numbers and multiply with 7. 7 sevens are 9, 49. 7 twos are 14 and 4 8. 7 threes are 21 and 1 22. 2 7 threes are 21 to 23. 2 7 threes are 21 to 3, 2, 7 ones are 7 to 9. So you will see that the exact match is right here. Okay, here we have just found an exact match and here only 0 remains. Okay, so our answer is, our square root is this number right here. Okay, this is the final answer. So here is the trick. Let's find some pattern. Okay, I will start with the square of 7. Okay, let's write square of 7 is 49. Yes, fair enough. Now you will see that the first number of this is 4 and last number of this is 9. And in 7 square, the first number is 4, first digit, the last digit is 9. Okay, we have found some pattern, and believe me, this cannot be, because I know this is trick, I can do this. But if you don't know, this trick, it is nearly impossible to think of just to choose 7 as a reference point to try out. Okay, so 7 square is 49. Let's try 67 and square it. So the square of 67 is this unique number. Square of 67 is this unique number. Now you will start seeing the pattern. Look, here it is 2 4s, 1 8 and 1 9, right? So you just started looking some pattern. Okay, now go ahead and add one more 6. Let's find the square of 6 6 and 7 square. So the square of this number is 4 4 4 double 8 and 9. Just check yourself that if this is true or not. Okay, the square of 667 is 444 double 8 19. So now you will start seeing a pattern from here to here. Here no 6, here 1 6, here 2 6. Accordingly, the number of 6 goes with number of 8 and the number of digit goes with the number of 4s and the last digit is 9. Okay, so let's go ahead and add one more 6 6 6 and 7 is square. Okay, now check yourself, and the square of this should be, there are 3 6s and 4 digits, so 4 digits, so number of 4 should be 4 1 2 3 and 4, and the number of 6 goes with the number of 8, so there are 6 there are 3 6s, so the number of 8 should be 3 and the last digit must be 9. Last digit should be 9. So the number of digit goes with the number of 4s, number of 8 goes with the number of 6. The last digit is 9. Now we have seen the pattern. Now we can directly write the answer. If you know this trick, now you have seen the pattern and you know it. Now you can write the answer of this question directly. There are 5 4s, so there will be 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5, and the last digit should be 7. Number of 8 are 4, so number of 6 should be 4 1 3 and 4. So this is the required number and the answer of the problem.